2. Verify cryptocurrency in Gabinho. A quick and easy process. Follow the Verify Identity for Crypto Transfer tab. First, enable crypto transfer in your Gabinho account to send and receive cryptocurrency. Then, verify your identity by providing personal information such as your full name, address, date of birth, and government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. For added security, set up two-factor authentication, which requires a verification code sent to your phone or authenticator app, in addition to your password. After completing these steps, the review process begins, which can take up to 5 business days. Once this is complete, you can verify your crypto transfer transaction details. Every blockchain transaction has a unique identifier called a transaction hash, which allows you to track the transaction's status on the blockchain. You can also use a block explorer, which provides details about your transaction, including confirmations, sender and recipient addresses, and the amount of cryptocurrency transferred.